Hello, my name is Liefeld-Nunn. I am a student at Chattahoochee Tech in course ECCE 1105, Health, Safety, and Nutrition. It is September 23rd, 2023, and I am here to talk about Georgia bus safety. The National Safety Council reported that in 2001, 108 people were killed in school bus-related crashes, including 3 from Georgia. It is important that we do our best to keep safe while riding on a bus. I will be talking about the requirements of driving a vehicle, maintaining a safe vehicle, and safety precautions and requirements while children are being transported by a bus, according to Georgia's Department of Early Care and Learning, or DECAL, and Pro Solutions Training, Transportation Safety, Keeping Kids Safe in Georgia. A driver must be 18 years old and have a valid driver's license for the class of vehicle that is being operated. The driver can have no at-fault accidents, DUI, speeding tickets, or reckless driving citations. A criminal background check is also required. Child care facility directors and drivers need to complete 2 hours of state-approved training. It is also recommended for drivers to take defensive driving courses. This will further their ability to anticipate dangerous situations. A driver should never be under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medication that impairs their judgment. The driver should be free of medical conditions that cause fainting, seizures, or other conditions that could impair their driving. A driver or a staff person on the vehicle must have a current certificate for CPR and first aid training with a certified or licensed health care professional. All vehicles need to have an annual inspection by a trained individual like a certified mechanic. All inspection reports, repairs, and replacements need to be documented. A link to these forms is in the comment section. The interior of the vehicle should be clean, free from broken parts that can be dangerous, and floor needs to be free from tripping hazards. A working fire extinguisher should be accessible to the driver but out of the reach of the children. The vehicle should have a working climate control system. While transferring children, all facilities need to secure children in a restraining system or safety belt, following state and federal laws and regulations. Children should never be left attended in a vehicle. If a child needs help getting off the vehicle, the parking brakes need to be on, the motor needs to be turned off, and keys need to be removed. Children should not be on the bus for more than 45 minutes at a time. The driver should always keep their eyes on the road. They should never use a phone or text while they're driving. Age-appropriate ratios need to be maintained when transferring children. Staff members need to be added to the vehicle based on the ratios, which can be found on DECAL's website. All facilities that transport children must have a parental authorization, a transportation plan, details about each child, and emergency medical information. A driver or staff member needs to have a checklist for every child that enters and exits the vehicle and documents the departures and arrival times. After the last child exits the vehicle, 2 physical checks need to be done and documented by walking through the entire vehicle, looking above and below every seat and in every compartment. The link to samples of these forms are in the comment section. I hope this video has been informative about the safety for transporting children, including requirements for driving a vehicle, maintaining a safe vehicle, and safety precautions and requirements while children are being transported. Let's keep rolling while keeping our children safe.